According to the World Health Organization, more than 9 million Ugandans have no access to improved drinking water sources, and another 25 million have no access to improved sanitation facilities. According to Africa Water Solutions, a sample of studies carried out on Uganda's water sources shows that over 70% of them are unsafe for domestic use and consumption.
In order to have a very good program, we went and camped on those 4 lakes you are talking about, spending 3 or 4 days watching what people are doing, what scenarios around those lakes, seeing cows coming to drink there, seeing pigs playing in the water around, seeing people coming to bathe in the water. I have some videos of that type. And at the end, and also we were trying to be very scientific.
The organization will work with the government for better results and delivery on their promises.
Our approach being more community-centered, and because of that, it allows the people to do it themselves. They just need some guidance, some prompting, and that way they will do it. Then the other thing is in the way we design our approaches being simple, the simplicity of our approaches. Something that will allow the beneficiaries to take on even when we are no longer there.
80% of Uganda's water sources are freshwater bodies, but the prevalence of waterborne diseases is also high. Recently, a report from Mayuge district cited an increase in cases of bilharzia in the district.
Water accessibility as per se may not be a challenge. We have many water bodies. We are in the Great Lakes region. But the challenge that we have is that the quality of our water is poor. So in some areas, we have the challenge of accessing the raw water before we make it safe for use. But even in those areas where water is in abundance, water is contaminated. And in case you use this water when it is not treated to render it safe for drinking, it can cause trouble.
The resident district commissioner of Zombo district, which is one of the beneficiary districts, said the project will improve health standards in the district.
And we know that where there is prolonged drought, many of the water sources will also dry. It is imperative upon Africa Water Solutions, therefore, working hand in hand with government, because we know we are going to work through the public-private partnership arrangement. The understanding is that government, where we also find the Ministry of Environment, interestingly, the Ministry of Water is the same handling the aspect of environment, and we expect to guide Africa Water Solutions as they commit working on the ground for our people to also include in their package the aspect of planting trees and ensuring that we conserve aspects of our environment that will regulate the climate in such a way that will sustain availability of water, which we will process to ensure safe water which our people can access.
The director in charge of program implementation, Joseph Tumushime, says they will work with the locals to ensure sustainability and continuity of the program. Walter Mwesije, NTV.